Okay, I just got this package in from Viva's Custom Design Visors and Caps. Um, she custom makes visors, caps, things of that nature. They're $35 each, plus shipping and handling. Um, this one I ordered on November the 2nd, and I received it on the 30th. Um, so let's get this thing. Oh, the only thing I did do is I did cut the tape and take off the shipping label. Okay. And we have a cute little card. Thank you so much for the order. I hope you wear it in good health. Viva J. Moore. Personally signed card comes with it. Okay. Can't wait to get this out. So excited. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh wow. That is really well made. Real leather. Could not have found a better concho for me. Absolutely love it, Viva.